I wanted to know more on expert systems. How it is,
What is the
how
other day I spoke about artificial intelligence. You can listen to my whole talk. That was on artificial intelligence.
I heard that. I heard.
Yeah. So that
Actually,
is one of the topic which has got a lot of influence on today's world.
yeah, but I wanted to know more on this theoretical, like,
See, how do you implement is a question which is to be asked, right? Now I have got the aircrafts flying on the airport at a point of time so that two will not collide each other. How do I program this? That's a
okay,
programming detail.
all right.
They cannot be,
Thank.
they see the number of processes, number of questions where 1,000 people are there, I can pick up somebody immediately because my brain is able to process it and then see this person is whom I have seen probably 10 years back. How do I make that program? Suppose I read some article on a paper where R. Balakrishna Pilla died today. I know R. Balakrishna Pilla, maybe 2003, October 2nd, I spoke to him regarding one activity which I require. Probably there was one paper item which came. How do I search? I will have to go and search on the internet or that date. How do I remember the date? Because I connected to some activity which I did along with him. I'm talking a real story which happened
Yeah,
to me. See, now I relate it because I remember those things. How do I make this to remember to a system? Understood. I am able to connect because I exist. Who can I put the same intelligence on a computer when the message comes R. Balakrishna Pilla? There is a personal computer of Dr. TPS who identifies, oh, this is how R. Balakrishna Pilla is connected to me. So that whatever my brain is doing, the computer is able to do. Is it possible? That is what the ultimate question. An expert doctor looks at a patient, he knows this is what the disease, this is the medicine to be given. Can I have a computer on which you take the picture or measure the items and then look at the eyes and then see, oh, this is the disease?
okay.
Understood. So that is the ultimate thing. So before that, there are few things which are programmable. Many things are not programmable. Some things are programmable. That's it.
So, what do you think about the 5G right now? Because 5G is coming. 5G,
What is
5G, fifth generation. Fifth generation is now, it's just
See, I
evolving right
suggest
now.
you to read or listen to some of the lectures which are in the fourth industrial revolution.
Fourth industrial.
That is explained well in the World Economic Forum.
Okay.
World Economic Forum is a great event which is based on one book by a great man. Look at it. Where probably Manmohan Singh gave a lecture, Modi gave a lecture, I think Arun Jaitley or somebody gave a lecture, finance minister of different countries will join, great experts in different field will come there and look at how the world is going to change. That is where the fourth industrial revolution is going to have a lot of activities based on two things changes world. One is communication, second one is the automation.
Okay.
So these two things are going to be very active there. See, for example, now automation, which I am talking about, is it possible for the whole train which is running in a city with a lot of traffic can be controlled? That information has to be passed on to a computer in which we can process it much faster. The data has to flow faster, the information has to flow faster, for the instruction has to go faster without fail. So for which you require a lot of communications each other. Today we have hubs which probably are at different places. That will
Yeah.
come to the internet hub, and from where I am able to talk to my computer. The Ethernet which is used, the cable or non-cable communication which is used have got some limitations. So my booster is able to connect to 10-meter circumference, but that big booster cannot connect to the whole city in that fastness. That is why they put cable. So can I replace that cable? Without cable, my moving vehicle can connect to everything in that speed is a big question today, which is not answerable, which is not that easily possible. So 5G is a concept in which what an Ethernet fiber cable can connect in the same speed, will they be able to do it without wire?
Okay.
That is always a challenge. Earlier, people were connected to line. Now, then satellite was a solution. But then from countries to country, people thought that not satellite gives a delay. Therefore, they wanted to connect it through the cable. So now we have cables running under the sea. Why? Because satellite is not able to connect to places in that speed. Because fiber
Like
optics is
optical
one of the
fiber.
fiber optics and
Yeah,
optical
you-
cables are much faster than the
Yeah.
no cable wireless communication. So can we replace wireless communication with the same speed is a big question which is being asked. So that's a technology which is going to get connected.
Actually, it's already been in talk. Right?
There are
It's
not
been-
all the system support. Now I have got an old mobile which maybe 15 years back I purchased. It is only 2G communication. It is not the communication for the system to system. Your receiver and the sender, everything need to be updated. That is not only here, that's also there in electricity also. Electricity cannot be transferred from one place to another place with high voltage.
Yeah.
You have 230 voltage, you have 110 voltage, 11 kV, 110 kV, but 500 kV is much better, but we don't have such facility. So experiments always keep happening for the bundle of electricity, bundle of data, bundle of information, how fast, how lossless. Question is lossless.
Lossless. Yeah.
So it will keep on continuing because the demands keep on increasing.
Yeah.
Now you asked something also, radar, I think. Did you ask radar?
Yeah, I asked about radar. Yes.
Today, most of the communications, the vehicle is moving in the air or in the sea or wherever I am not able to connect. Probably they will jam all the communication, but still I will be able to locate it through a radar. Radar is like detecting something which they wanted to hide. That is where military applications are used. You can see most of the aircrafts are connected to the air traffic control system through radar. I got an antenna rotating 360 degree always. So it locates what is there in the space. And they locate what is available. So radar is something to detect probably in the space, and it's also used underground radars are there.
Yeah.
When a ship moves and the submarines moves, it will not be able to communicate, or the other person, you may not even know what is that. So even to locate hurdles or obstacles, anything which is in water or space, now today radar supports both submarines and the aircrafts. Yeah, you wanted to ask something.